Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you guys working on vehicles guys. Okay, if you're mechanics, you need a device like that. We'll explain what it is guys. This is a wireless camera guys. Okay, endoscope that you can stick inside your engine, inspect your engine without even taking it apart. You can find out in some cases what's wrong with it guys. Especially if you're working on your car, you need something like that sooner or later guys. Stay with us, we're going to put it to the test, we're going to review it. It was sent to us by DEPSTECH guys, and it's a device that I should have bought a long time ago. Not that they sent it to me guys. I was even thinking about getting one myself, because you definitely need that, because it can save you hours of taking an engine apart to find out what's wrong with it, when all you have to do just stick a camera, let's say through the oil pan or the piston, and find out okay what the problem is. Especially if you're in the business guys, that can save you so many hours, and you can easily diagnose vehicles for your clients. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. So we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you need to buy any tools or parts for your car or the camera itself, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out guys. So now let me show you guys, we have that engine that we've been working on. It's a Hyundai engine that is locked up, okay, and trying to figure out what's wrong with it without taking it completely apart, you cannot find out guys. You have to remove the cylinder head, okay, practically to find out what's wrong with it, or you have to remove everything on the bottom, oil pan, oil pumps. But in order to remove the oil pump, you have to remove timing chains and all that stuff. But with the help of that too, I think we'll be able to find out what's wrong with it. So let us connect it now guys. Okay, it's pretty simple. All you have to do, you have to open the Wi-Fi on your phone guys. You have to turn it on. Okay, let's turn it on. Perfect, it's on. Now you go to the Wi-Fi, and under the Wi-Fi we're waiting, okay, for the camera to be found, and you're going to see it in just a second. Okay, and once we found, okay, let me go to Wi-Fi settings. It's going to communicate, and it's going to automatically guys connect. Okay, once you set everything, it's pretty straightforward. Then all we have to do, open your app and continue with the next step. So yep, right there, DEPSTECH WF0028. Perfect. Now all I have to do, open the app guys, and once you open the app, okay, it's going to communicate very shortly. We have communication. Now right here you can actually guys adjust the light on the camera as well. You can see with the button you can easily guys, okay, adjust it, and if you need more light, less light, okay, all that can be guys done, so you can clearly see. So let's show you how it works now. Okay, what's really cool about that camera guys is the fact that it actually has a dual camera, one on the front, one on the side, and we're going to explain about that as we go guys. Let me show you now. Okay, we have the front camera now. Okay, that's the front camera. We're going through the wall here now, okay, on that timing chain, and I want to show you now. Okay, you can see here, okay, we have the piston here, the cylinder wall. Now if I switch, okay, let's come out a little bit, out, okay, problem is right here guys, broken, check it out, broken, okay, connecting rod. Now if I go through here, that's the other angle, okay, and I'll have both of them. Let's pull it out a little bit, okay, push it in, okay, and you can inspect even the cylinder wall. Check it out, it has dual cameras, one on the front, one on the side, and you can inspect if it did more damage to it guys that way. Which is simply unbelievable. I cannot believe that thing is so powerful guys, with the dual camera in that little bitty device. And also I want to open the single camera and I want to show you something. Okay, now let's find the wall, okay, on the piston. You will see one of the walls on the piston is broken as well, okay, right there in the corner. Okay, so you can see right there that piston wall is broken. that's broken. So that engine is practically done. It will need a major rebuild, and you can do that in just a few minutes. Stick it through the oil pan, or stick it, guys, through a hole, through a spark plug, and you can find out what's wrong with your engine, guys. So definitely, guys, that's a camera that I will recommend. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. But if you're a mechanic, I think a relatively inexpensive device like that can save you so much hours of work. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.